Hello, my name is Alexandr Zanabria, and this is my graduate with honors project for the new camp Frontend Bootcamp. My app is called Home Store, and it is an inventory mobile app that I created using React Native. And the reason that I created this app is because I wanted to solve a problem, and the problem is that every time at home when we go shopping, we might forget to buy something or buy a few products, and then we need to reorder. And that is because we don't know exactly what we have at home. So the main purpose of this app is to help you to keep track of your inventory at home. Also, it has a feature that suggests what items to buy for the next 7 days. So let's see it. This is the main screen of my app, and it has a loading component because it is fetching the data from the JSON server. And here you can see right from the beginning the list of products that you have at home. As you can see, it is a long list, so you can scroll to see all the items and also the quantity available. So for example, here we have milk, and as you can see, I have 8 boxes of milk. I have 0 coffee, so I have no coffee, and also I have 2 kilos of sugar, so I am low stock on sugar. In the next page, I've created a shopping list, and this is a very powerful and useful component of my app because it shows a list of products that I need to buy for the next 7 days. For example, here we see the coffee, and as you can see, it's out of stock in my home. Also, I am low in stock of sugar, so I need to buy it as well. This is the complete list of items that I need to buy for the next 7 days. What happens if I buy something that is not on my list? Well, for that I have created a new component that lets me add new products. So in this I will add, for example, let's say I bought some candies, and I can put an emoji of this candy, and let's say I bought 20 units of candy, and each one of them cost me $0.2. Using the Expo image picker, I can use the camera of my cell phone to take a picture of this product. So let's say this is a candy. I take a picture, I can crop it and use it as the image for my product. Also, I can pick an image from the gallery. So let's say I choose this image. And if I click the add product button, this product will be added to my list of products. Also, the form is resetted, so I can add new products. So if I go to my stock and go to the bottom, I will see that candies have been added. If I refresh my app, here we will see that candies and other products that I recently added stays there, and that is because I am using the Fetch API to save the data to the server. Here we can see this. I have the handle product method that uses the post product method that saves the name, the stock, the unit, and the price of the items. And using Redux and the Fetch API, it saves it to the server. So as we can see in the database, candies have been added to the list. Finally, there is one component that gives me the ability to collect feedback from the user. So if I am using the Expo Mail Composer in this component, so if I click on the send feedback component, it will redirect me to the Gmail app where I can send some feedback to improve or to report a bug of my app. So for example, let's say, please add barcode support. And I send this, and this email my inbox, so I can collect feedback from the user. One of the most challenging parts of my app was to using the batch component. Here we can see that I am using a batch stock object inside of a constructor, and I set the value of and the status of the batch depending of the stock of the item. So if the item is 0, the batch will be red, and if the item will be low on stock in the next 7 days, the program do a little calculation to know if in the 7 days the product will be low on stock. Well, I hope you enjoyed my app. After finishing the React Native module, I feel very confident of my skills to build apps, and I want to thank NewCamp for teaching me. Thank you so much for viewing my app.